a rickshaw. 5:38, asshole.
I go down to the lake for a bit before the... Don't like going home in between to abuse me.
What of it? Well, it's nice to run into you. Wow.
What? And today you got me. Now what are you gonna do with me?
Nothing.